Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am introducing BeeShape leggings with a built-in waist trainer. Stay and watch all the way to the end to receive my discount code for 30% off. And before we dive into the details of these effective training pants, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell so you know when I have cool collabs like this coming out. I post new videos every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and I live stream on Sunday evenings. Be sure to follow my accounts at Mara Domina on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for daily news and project updates. So, BeeShape is literally telling us by the name of their brand that their products are focusing on sculpting your body in not one, not two, not even three, but 4 different areas. Area number 1 is the stomach area. Staying home at lockdown hasn't helped with lower activity for our bodies, and neither is constant snacking while marathoning your favorite shows. Okay, maybe that's just me. Anyway, the belly area is the area that women are probably the most self-conscious about. When you're young and healthy, you want to flaunt that sexy stomach. And you can, because more than likely, your metabolism is sky high. The desire to show off the sensual area does not go away, but as females age, unfortunately, that metabolism slows down as every year that goes by. And for some, it gets harder and harder to shred that pudge off. Area number 2. BeeShape has integrated fast burn technology into this waist training area of their leggings in order to help melt the fat, tone the abs, and even correct your posture while wearing it. The flattening does not stop at the belly, but also slims the waist area by refining and tracing your body to help bring out your hips and booty. These leggings are a perfect blend of stretchy pants and comfortable waist trainer, unlike traditional corsets and girdles. Trust me, I would know. All you have to do is slide these bad girls on through each foot, over each leg, and after the hips, you simply fasten the hooks to your preferred closures. There are 4 options you can choose from, just like how you would do so for a bra. The length will vary depending on your torso, but for me, it reaches to the bottom of my rib cage. This will ensure a tighter cinch where the part of my hourglass figure should be most narrow. Area number 3, defining your hips. Hips are an unseemingly harmonious aspect to a woman's body as they create balance to the top part above the belt line. We may take our hips for granted. How many of you actually think of your hips daily? Unless you have pain there or are pregnant, probably not often, since it's a natural part that's attached to us. Sure, you may look at your body as a whole when getting dressed, but it's unlikely to think of your hips with the goal of volume in mind. Your bodily orientation relies on your pelvis, not to mention all of your walking and getting from point A to point B done by those fine legs and feet of yours, which attach to your hips. Having a solid foundation for you being able to complete those chores, carrying your kids or pets, or just feeling healthy and full of life is important when studying the hip area. The sheath of these leggings will protrude your hips out thanks to the side bands that are designed to give a push-up effect. Area number 4, rounding that booty. I've been blessed with a proportional body including having a butt, which is from my mother's Filipino Spanish side. However, since I don't go anywhere these days, nor am I consistent with my squats and donkey kick exercises, I could use a little bit of help. The mesh part of these leggings slims the waist area, which will, in turn, bring out the hips and buttocks. BeeShape's Boost technology inside the leggings will work to eliminate cellulite, firm, tone, and round the booty for a fuller butt by instantly boosting the area with bands similar to those on the sides. These leggings are made of polyester and nylon, easy to wash, and the hooks don't rust. Redraw the shape of your body by wearing these at home, at work, to school, while working out, and even doing yoga. I've even worn them while taking a nap. If you're unsatisfied with the product, you are able to return within 14 days to receive a full refund. Note that any damaged or incomplete returns are non-refundable. BeeShape uses 100% secure payments on their website, and they will ship your leggings for free in 24 to 48 hours upon receiving your order. Right now, BeeShape is having a sale on their leggings, and if you use my code MARA, M-A-R-A, you will receive an additional 30% off. So, order your pair today. I am happy with mine. Tag me on social media at Mara so I can see your fabulous transformation. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that others can learn and try out these waist training, booty shaping legging combo. Subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications so that you know when I have new content out. And until next time.